So we can start now. So last time we have seen these things and these things, right? And remaining these left side icons, right? So today we can just a second. I will share my screen. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So last time we have seen these lots of icons, right? These tops and right side icons. So today we can cover the left side icons as well as one schematic drawing, okay, based on the buck converter. So yeah,
Okay, I will go for schematic editor, right? To getting
yeah,
your
yeah. First of all, we can cover these things, and then we can create a new starting from the new project because I'm not using this one. I'm creating the new one. So we will draw the schematic together. Okay, it's fine.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this icon is for the show grid. Okay. So grid means you can see these small dots, right? If you see
Yes,
these
ma'am.
dots, so this is the grid. Grid is the distance
ma'am,
between. Okay, yeah.
how you open that window?
Which one?
Actually, that window. Actually, I installed today the KiCad. We are showing schematic editor, symbol editor, PCB editor,
Okay,
footprint
just a
editor.
yeah. Okay, just a thing. So make right.
Yeah.
Okay. Share your screen so I can see and I will
Uh,
guide you. Okay.
okay, okay, wait. Okay, you can continue. I will whenever you will share this.
Okay.
You can continue. I have to
Okay.
operate in another machine, so I will another.
Okay. So where we are? So this icon is for the grid. Suppose means grid means what? So you can see this small dot, right?
Ma'am,
So
please
this
share
is
the screen, ma'am.
oh sorry, I forgot.
It's
Just a
okay,
second.
ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, now my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how
Okay.
to change the setting of grid, ma'am? Because grid, dot is not visible that much.
Okay. If you see, this is the grid which is enabled. Okay. And if you click here, so grid is invisible right now. If you click here, your grid is visible.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
So for enable and disable, you can click here.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we change the setting like line, vertical
Yes.
line
We
and
can.
horizontal line?
Yes. We can change the settings also. So go to the preferences, uh, schematics, and grids. Okay. So yeah, this display options. In the display option, there is the style, dot, lines, and small crosses. If you take
Okay,
lines,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got it.
okay. So this is the oh my KiCad is just a second. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
There is from Digilect KiCad. Okay. So preferences, go to the preferences. There is a display option. Okay. So you can
Okay, ma'am.
check dots. Grid thickness if you want. There is a, you can change the thickness also. Okay. Minimum grid spacing, which is the grid means large grid. Wait, I will show. Minimum grid spacing is 10 pixels. Means 10 pixel is equal to your, suppose grid setting is a 1 mm. So 10 pixel is equal to 1 mm.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your grid. Okay. You can uh, enable or disable with this icon. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Or here is the grid overrides. Means go grid overrides means there is a different grid for the different movements for your symbol placements, your wire settings, or your text setting. If you want grid overrides, if you can enable this one, so all your symbol, wires, and your text will be moved by your grid settings. If suppose your grid setting is 2.4 mm or 2.54 mm, so your movement of the wire, symbol, and text will be moved by the 2.54 mm movement size. Okay, so this is the grid override. Then this is the your distance unit, inch, mile, and mm. Okay. So are you aware about inch and mm, right? What is millimeter? What is inches? Okay. So mils is 100 mils is equal to 2.54 mm. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I personally prefer mm because mm is means for the drawing and all of those things. Is means I recommend it for the but in the electronically component or footprint, there will be the mill is used, but I preferly use the Then this is the full window cross chair, means if you see this plus arrow, which is a cross plus line, which is a small one. If you click here, if you see, this one is a full window size of the cursor, right? So you can click here, enable the full window or disable the full window cross. Okay. Then this is the show hidden pins. Means there is a means there is a different symbol which have a hidden pins. If you see in the microcontroller, there is a multiple VCC pins, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
in in the microcontroller symbols, there is a VCC or ground pins are hidden. So if you want to see that hidden pins, you can uh, sh- uh, click here or enable the hidden pins. So you can see that hidden pins also. Okay. Then this one is the your line mode or wire line, means if you see this, there is a draw and drag at any angle, means if you can select this one, your wire will be drawing at any angle if you want, which you want, any angle. Okay.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
okay, then this will be the drawing dragging only horizontal and vertical. There is not 45 degrees, there is not any degree, only vertical and horizontal. Okay, if you I'm going here, if you see this only the horizontal and vertical line, not any other angle. Okay, then this one will be horizontal, vertical, and 45 degree. If you see, I can go here. Okay, but not right angle, horizontal, vertical, but not any other angle. Only 45 degree and horizontal, vertical. Okay, so this is the line mode
Ma'am,
or
what
wire.
does what does
Okay.
it mean? Hidden pin of microcontroller. How it will be look like?
Actually, there is the means in the microcontroller that there is a more than one VCC or ground pins are okay. So VCC we can connect for the power supply only, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
using only one pin, there is other. Suppose the microcontroller have four VCC pins. Okay. For QFP package, there is a three maximum three VCC pins. So in the symbol, they only represent one pin and two pins are hidden in the symbol representations. So whenever we draw any symbol or schematic, we can connect that VCC pins to the like 3.3 volt or 5 volt, which is microcontroller supported. So that hidden pins also that indirectly connected with that voltage. But if you want to see that hidden pins, we can show from the here, show hidden pins. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am,
There is no there
any
is no
example?
there is okay. I don't have right now any example, but if you I will check and STM VDD bad. Which one I want to use? Oh, actually I'm starting the recording now. That's why lots of load are there. VDD here. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
STM VDD. Mm, this is 622 and 28 pins are there. VDD and VDD 2. Okay, we'll take the example. Mhm. Just a second, I will
Okay.
see. If you see here, I'm enabling the this one. Okay. So in the gray side, there is a different pins are available. Okay. If I'm disabling, you can see there is no green. If you I'm going here, edit my symbol. So you can here you can check. Yeah, this one is a hidden pin. Okay, which is a 31 number. Then this one is a 61. This one is the
Okay.
80. So these are the hidden pins. Means they
How
only
to,
show one VCC, but others
but
are hidden,
there
like
will be
31,
hidden.
80, 60.
Yes, yes,
Huh?
understand, ma'am. Understand.
Okay.
Ma'am, how to open in edit? How you open this
Okay.
microcontroller,
I will
ma'am?
I will show again. Okay. Just double click on it. There is a edit symbol option. Okay.
Okay,
Click on that. Your symbol editor will be open. Okay. So in the
okay,
symbol
ma'am.
editor, if you see this here is also show hidden pins. If you disable, you can. you can't see here this. You can enable to see this. Okay. But if you
Okay.
want to clear with this, you can just move it, just click and just okay. 61, 80 and 31 pins, which is a
Hidden
hidden
pin.
pins. Okay. Which is over the under the VCC. Means all these four pins are connected with the any 5 volt means 5 volt. When if we connect these pins means we connect this three also. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So where we are hidden pins. We cover now these lines also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then this one is annotate automatically. Already I told last class if I this icon will be uh, this icon will be enabled, then your annotation will be automatically done. Okay. If we this is the disable, your annotation will be like a your question mark like this. Suppose this will be a question mark. But suppose I'm just delete this and I'm taking the capacitor again. Okay. See capacitor. Okay. So this will be the question mark. Okay. So there is a no reference name of this capacitor. But if suppose I am enabling this one and I'm taking the capacitor. See, it's with the here this reference number C1. Okay, it's automatically give the reference number if I'm enabling this one. If you doesn't want to automatically, you can disable this. If you want automatically, you can enable it. Okay, then this is a hierarchy navigator means this is my hierarchy page, right? This is my root page, main page. Under this main page, this is my hierarchy page. Okay. So if I am disabling this, there is no option of the hierarchy page. If I am enabling this, you can just direct go to under this page. So you can go from here also
Ma'am,
and
please
you can go.
accept
What?
my request. I am requesting you for the joining another
Okay, okay,
ID. Please accept it.
okay, okay, okay. Just a second. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is a hierarchy navigator. You can navigate directly here, here. You can go directly that page. So you can go from here also. You can go from here also. So there is a two options. So this is the hierarchy navigator. Then next one is the properties. So what is the properties? Means if you are enabling the this option. So this is your suppose component. Just you can click here. This capacitor properties are or these symbol properties are here. Position, the orientation, reference, value. Suppose I'm changing the value. This is suppose my 100 nf capacitor. So I'm just changing its value. So it's a 100 nf. Okay. So you can see these properties by enabling this symbol. Okay. So yeah, this is our all these icons are now I'm exploring to you or I'm explaining to you. Okay. So there is a different shortcuts are available. Okay. So you can check the shortcuts from here. Help, list, hotkeys. You can show in the 3D viewer if you want to show the 3D models with mark GNP D. Show 3D viewer P. There is a different shortcuts are available for rotate, uh, this is the common. So if you want to see the shortcuts, you can see from the here. Okay. For the your movement, you can for the movement of the any component, just click on that. Means go to the particular component, press the M, and you can move that particular components. Okay. Just for movement, you can press the M. If you want to rotate, you can press the R on your keyboard. Okay, so all these hotkeys are you can see in the list hotkeys or in the preferences. There is also the hotkeys. Yeah, here is also hotkey. You can check those hotkeys. What is means if you want to in hand. Okay. Okay. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today
Should
we
I share
now
the screen?
what? Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah, yeah, screen.
Okay. Just a second. Yeah, I will stop my screen. Okay. Just a second. I will full screen. Okay. So first of all, if you want to create a new project, okay, just create this project. So go to the file and create any project, new project, your location. Okay. Type the your project name. You can type LM2596, which we take right now. LM2596. Buck converter. Okay. Say. Okay. Now go to the Somik SCH. Double click on it. Yeah. Okay. 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 It's working now. Hello.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I working, working.
Oh. Okay.
I got that page.
Okay. Okay. Now, just a second. I will share my screen. Okay. So yeah. So today we can now start new project. So I'm closing the KiCad first. So yeah. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So file, new project. I'm going to the here. I'm just doing the new folder here. First of all, new folder LM2596 buck converter. Okay. So yeah. So I'm just giving the same name to my project. Okay. So I think you guys also do the same thing. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Means uh, we can draw the schematic together. Okay.
Ma'am, can you just move Move it slower.
Okay. So you can create one project. So we can do one step by step. Okay. So all of those, please create a project. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Tell me once you are done, then we will start. Okay.
So I'm done.
Okay. Anyone left? Okay. So can I start?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, now in the last lecture, I already told that what further I'm just creating the different folder for the project. Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
It is
Okay.
stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think this is there is just that issue. Arey, yeah. I think there is a load in the. Let me see. Mhm.
From which channel of YouTube you learn, madam?
There is a YouTube channel.
She will
Okay.
share after the class. She told me she will share.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a second. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just doing the same which the right. So I'm just copying those folders. Okay. In my new project one, that is LM2596. So, okay. So yeah. So just checking for the reference. I will download the LM2596 datasheets. LM596 datasheet.
What is LM?
Hmm?
LM2596. What is this? Is it a sensor?
This is the buck converter, which is basically DC to DC buck converter. Okay, so in this LM2596 buck converter, we can convert the 40 volt to the 1.8, 1.5, 3 volt, 5 volt. There is a adjustable voltage, or you can also choose the fixed voltage. So, yeah, just a second. LM2596. This is my reference. So, yeah. So I'm referring the circuit diagram for this LM2596 datasheet. Okay. So this is the step down switching regulator, 3 ampere. LM2596. Okay, so this is the 5-pin buck converter. So what is the features of this? Adjustable output voltage range is 1.23 volt to 37 volt. So maximum input voltage is a 40 volt, or you can add output will be your 1.23 volt to the 37 volt. Guaranteed 3.0 ampere output load current. Then input range up to the 40 volt. Then this is the switching. This is the switching mode power supply. So its frequency is a 150 kilohertz fixed frequency internal oscillator. There is different applications where we can use this SMPS, DC to DC buck converter. So yeah, then if you see this one, this is the 12 volt unregulated DC input, and this is a 5 volt regulated output. This is their typical application diagram. Okay, then this is their block diagram. So this is input, this is the input capacitor. Then you can see this is the block. So this LM256 under this components are available in only this IC LM256. There is a internal regulator, then current limiter, drivers, band gap reference. There is a different blocks under, and external components you can see here the one inductor, then capacitor, resistors, input capacitors. So yeah, so we can choose any of the reference schematic and we can draw that schematic. Okay, okay. So this is the test circuit. Can take any. There is a three different types applications. 0.7. So we can take this one. Okay. So voltage will be input voltage will be 10 volt to 14 volt, and the output is a 5 volt. Okay. And yeah. So this is the adjustable one. So we can use this schematic. Step down voltage regulator 5 volt. Okay. This is the adjustable one. If you want to the fixed one, these two resistors are obsolete and this feedback is directly connected here. Okay. So yeah. So I'm going to my schematic editor. So now I'm putting all the components which I want. Okay. Or which we want.
Ma'am, bit slowly. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I will copy.
Okay. Just go to the symbol placement. Click.
Second one is symbol placement, ma'am. Arrow down arrow.
What?
Ma'am, arrow sign is there no on top. After that,
This one.
only yes.
So this is for
We have
the
to
just
click on that or
means if you want to change any icon like this to this or this, you can directly click. Or if you want, if you don't want any icon, just click on this. Okay, I will just explain in just a minute.
Which is the symbol thing?
You can choose any symbol. There is a different symbols. Okay, but for the
Uh,
now we are using the
yeah, from where?
adjustable one. Adjustable one.
Which icon?
Just a second. Yeah. LM2596.
How you open that window?
This one,
Oh yeah.
you can just click here.
Okay, got it, got it.
Okay. So there is a different symbols are available. If you see, there is a LM2596 3.3 means this is for the your fixed voltage. Okay. This is the for 5 volt. This is for 12 volt. This is for the adjustable. If you choose 3.3 for 5 volt, it doesn't matter, but for the name only, it's matter. Okay. If you take the
In
pin number 1 is V, pin
in a,
number 5 is on off. Is there any question?
in adjusted we in adjusted we have the control to which will be the voltage in the
Yeah,
pin.
yeah, yeah. In the in the 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt, the feedback is direct means feedback pin is available for adjustable also. I will show just a second. Okay. This is the 12 volt fixed. Okay. And this is the adjustable. If you see, there is no difference between any pin number. Okay. Just the name of that LM2596 adjustable and LM2596 12. Pin number 1 is V. Pin number 2 is out. Okay. Pin number 1 is V. Pin number 2 is out. Okay. Then pin number 3 is ground. Okay. In adjustable. So 12 ground. Then FB or on off. So yeah. There is
हाँ
FB or
मम्मी
on off.
राघव प्रणाम हाँ खा
So
लेली
me please mute your mouth. Mic.
हाँ हाँ
It is not me, ma'am.
Okay. Who is here? I I okay. Sorry. Then yeah.
I couldn't find this LM2596 from that library. Can you just show me how it is?
Okay. Can you share your screen? I will stop my sharing. Okay.
Mm,
Just a second. Okay. My screen will stop. Yeah. Just share your screen.
Uh, excuse me, ma'am. I am using my PC, so and I watching and I
Okay.
my
Okay. 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 Just means
can follow.
what?
If you can just show me
Okay.
how to.
Okay. Just okay. 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 Just go here. This one. Type LM2596. Which version are you downloading for the KiCad? It's
Uh,
9, above 9.
this version of it's
Version
9.
of okay. Then definitely LM2596 is there. Okay. So now I'm
Oh,
okay. Now I'm choosing this adjustable one. Okay. So if you see, there is a footprint is also available. If this footprint is for means correct, then there is no need for the assignment also. If when we assign the footprint after the schematic completion, the now the footprint is available. Okay, so this is the okay footprint for the assembly one. So which there is no need for the footprint assignment after the your schematic capture. If you see, there is a this is the different one footprint. This is also this is for the through hole. Okay, so I am choosing this one.
Ma'am, could you
Yeah.
1 minute check my if I share my screen that my KiCad is an up to the up to date version or I have to change it?
Can you tell me the which version are you downloading?
I don't know. I got it randomly in internet. I think. So I have to check.
Okay, 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 okay.
It
There
is
is
in
in your desktop, like mine, it's a KiCad 9.0. So what is in your desktop?
okay. Wait.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, 9.0. Yeah.
So there is not available LM2596.
No, no. I LM2 5 is I getting, but the notation is
Footprint is
different.
not assigned.
Something like I got LM2 596S.
Yes. Or this name is same.
I think so. Go to that window where you checking.
This one. V in, on off, AB, out, and ground. This is a
Yeah, yeah.
5 pin IC.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah,
if
fine,
this
fine, fine.
pin,
Yeah, yeah,
if
fine.
this pin is means for one V in, for five on off, three ground, then it's fine. You can
Yeah,
put
yeah. That's
means
the
you
same thing.
can select.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So I'm selecting this LM2596. Then we have a different needs a different component. What is that? My capacitor, diode, capacitor, resistor, and inductors. Okay. So yeah, I'm just taking the capacitor. Okay. But my capacitor is not means my capacitor is polarized, not unpolarized. So I want polarized capacitor. So I'm taking this one. Okay. So this is my polarized capacitor. Then also I want same capacitor. So yeah. So I already taking the polarized capacitor. So just polarized capacitor. Then also I want Schottky diodes. So I need two in the schematic. There is only one diode, but I need two for my input protection. Okay, and my freewheeling diode for my freewheeling side. So I'm taking two. Okay,
For
then I want
Schottky diode, what you are for Schottky diode, what you write? SCH.
SVHO only. Then you can see the diode there. Okay, then I want inductor. Okay, so yeah, inductor. So you can place inductor. So which components is left? Resistor, right? So just putting the R. So I'm using this symbol. There is a different symbol also, that is zigzag line zigzag one also. I'm using this one. So yeah. So now I think all components are, yeah, this
For inductor
also
choosing only L.
Yeah, right, L. Okay, this capacitor is remaining. So this is a unpolarized capacitor. Okay, so just click and just write down C. So yeah, unpolarized capacitor. So yeah, so all these are the components. But so now I also want for the input connector and output connector. So I'm choosing two connector. Okay, so I'm taking the screw type connector. I want two pin for positive one and negative one. Okay, so I'm taking the two pin. Also, you can copy paste. Control C, Control V. Okay, so I'm just
Ma'am,
aligning
which is unpolarized capacitor?
this one. This is the unpolarized capacitor for my
Only C.
only one unpolarized capacitor I'm taking. Okay, I'm enabling this automatically and automatically anode. So all the reference value is with their number. There is a two. different resistors. So R1 and R2. There is a three different
Uh,
capacitors. So C1, C2, and C3. There is a two
and
different diodes, D1, D2. Okay. One inductor, so L1. And for the any IC, there is a reference is a U. So it's a U1. Okay. Any doubt here?
what is that? What is that J1? J1 and
J1
J2?
is my connector. So I'm taking the for input and output connection. I'm taking the connector.
From where it is getting?
You just click here. There is a different variety of connector. I want screw terminal, so I just type screw. Or it's a 1 by 2 means one it's a one column, two row type. So I'm taking the one column, two row. Okay, 1 by 2.
Ma'am, which type is the diode? It's a short key.
It's a Schottky diode. Yeah.
How can I write find that
SCHO.
short code? Okay.
It's a Schottky is available. So you can take this one. Okay. If you
Got it.
want this fill with, then it's a fill. It's a face. If you want, it's normally it's you can use those one. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, should we follow with you
Yeah, you
or
can
just
follow. Means you can draw with me, so you can understand where. If you have any doubt, you can ask me that time only. Then later on, you should also forgot what we do and what we want to do. Yeah.
okay? Okay. So can you just give us some minute to?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Also, ma'am, please share the that data sheet of that LM2 something.
Okay. Just
LM 25965.
okay. Just a second. I will share the data sheet. Okay. Once you are done, just tell me so we can start next. Okay.
I am ready.
Okay. We can wait for 1 minute, then we can start. Actually,
I am not doing, ma'am. I will watch video and see, ma'am.
okay. Okay. So can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just aligning those components. Okay. With the reference. So yeah, this is my V in. This is my input capacitor. So my input capacitor will be here. Then yeah, this is here. This will be my input. So you can check. I am just how I'm placing the components. Okay. So yeah. So this is my output capacitor. This is my Schottky diode.
Ma'am, I am missing the boundaries.
What?
That red boundaries you are drawing. Uh,
Red bond is. Yeah, you can just
oh,
move the component.
yeah. Got it.
Yeah, just move the components. There is no big deal. Okay. So yeah. So if you can see. So yeah, my this one is done. So for the output pin, there is one diode. So my output pin diode is, sorry, this one. Here I can write down here. Then just check, cross check. Yeah. After that, there is a inductor series with that. So yeah, my inductor. For the movement, you can just press M. Okay. Okay. Then there is a output capacitor. So yeah. So this is my output capacitor. Okay. Then there is a two resistor. This is the for the voltage divider. Means this reference voltage is given to its feedback pin. Okay. For the your stable outputs. If you check V out is equal to V reference plus 1.0 plus R2 divided by R1. Suppose you want to your output is 5 volt. Then your reference voltage is 40 volt. And then then you can find the R2 and R1. Okay. So yeah. So I want to place two resistors. Okay. After the my capacitor. Okay. So yeah. After my capacitor. Who is he? Okay. So this is my resistor. Then this resistor is parallel with this capacitor, unpolarized capacitor. So yeah. So I am just putting this capacitor here. Okay. And this is my
I'm a
output.
bit slow.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, you just put on your screen. We will see it how it is connected.
Okay.
After that,
Okay. So yeah. Now just taking notes. Okay. So now I'm take there is a two option for taking. Now I'm connecting those wire. Okay, connected this component through the wire. So yeah, taking the wire or without wire, just go to any component and just click here. Okay, connect here to here. Okay, then connect here to here. Then your on, off, and ground, which is the short. You can means I know about this, so I just directly short those things. Then okay, then
for connecting, I click draw wire, right?
ah, for connecting, just go to any component and there this red part, just uh, press your left mouse, click the left side mouse button. Okay, and just draw where you want. Okay,
What's the shortcut key for rotate the symbol?
rotate. It's R. R. Press the R.
Just oh,
Just go to the any component like this way. Go. I'm here. Just pressing the R. It's okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yeah. After capacitor, I'm connecting resistor. Now, this is here. Okay. So, yeah. I'm directly connected this. Now, okay. When you connected more than two wires, its junction is automatically connected. Okay. Now I will show you one. Just carefully when you draw the wire. Suppose I'm just putting this wire here, then I'm directly connected here.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
minimizing the circuit for us to
Yeah.
take
Okay.
a reference.
Okay.
Little bit maximize. It's too small. Yeah.
Okay. It's fine.
Left side is gone. Fine.
Okay. Uh, okay. Just I will do one thing. Just drag the if you want. You can just dragging any component. I'm just dragging the component. Just a second. My circuit will be little. Okay. Okay. Fine. Hello.
Just wait. Wait a minute. I
Okay.
am
Okay.
doing this.
Yes, ma'am. Up to schematic, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Let us let me draw also. Tomorrow I will try, or today. After that, we can proceed for PCB library, PCB document layout.
Mm, yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can we uh, क्या मैं ये सिमेट्रिक जो हम कीकैड में ड्रॉ किए उसको
Hmm.
अदर सॉफ्टवेयर जैसे है एलटीएम है
Hmm.
कैडेंस है ये सब में एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ मीन्स कई कई सॉफ्टवेयर में ऑप्शन रहता है वो तो आप वो एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं वहां पे कई कई इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं रहता है तो आपको वो डायरेक्टली यूज करना पड़ता है मतलब आपको फिर से ड्रॉ करना पड़ता है लाइक
कीकैड में
यहाँ पे
कीकैड में
कीकैड
वैसा
में
ऑप्शन
अगर
नहीं है.
नहीं कीकैड में भी ऑप्शन है import non schematic means non KiCad schematic so या सो यहाँ पे जाके आपको देखना पड़ेगा आपके पास कौन सा अवेलेबल है अगर ये फॉर्मेट सपोर्ट करता है ये देखो अल्टीएम का अल्टीएम है कैड स्टार है ईगल है इजीडी है सो ये सपोर्ट करता है तो ये लेकिन मेक श्योर ये ईगल डॉट एस सी एच है तो ये एस सी एच का एस सी एच को ही करेगा ओके ये
ठीक है
स्कीमेटिक
मैम.
एडिटर है तो एस सी एच ही चाहिए एस सी एच ओके तो उसको ही करेगा तो आप एक बार वो चेक करना
ओके मैम. कहाँ
हम्म,
से ये ऑप्शन आया मैडम? कहाँ से एक बार फिर से बताइएगा.
बता गो टू द फाइल देर इज ऑप्शन import there is a non KiCad schematic so just
ओके.
click on that yes so yeah there is all supported formats these are the formats which are supported okay all those
ठीक है
things
मैम.
all these so if you have a .jsn so if this available file in your particular location just directly see here and you can open those files okay on the open
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can we start?
In a right circuit, it is
Okay.
suppressed.
Yeah,
After
just.
C3 capacitor.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can start. I am done.
Okay. Now, if you see here, we can connect all the connections. Okay. Only remaining the ground side. Okay. So yeah, you can connect wire by wire, or you can just put the ground where you want to the connect with the ground. So you can connect like this also. This ground, then Control C, Control V, V. You can connect like directly like this also. Yeah. Suppose there is a yeah. So yeah. Okay, we can connect the ground section. Okay, or you can also connect like this also. I will just show you. Okay, just take the wire, extra wire, you can delete. Okay, yeah, this is the other method. Okay, so this is your circuit. So there is a two different options for connecting the ground. Okay, so yeah. Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am. Schematic, no doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay, now our schematic is completed. Okay, our reference number is also completed with the help of this at automatically annotation. Okay, now we want to give the value of the particular component names. Okay, so this this is my input connector. So I'm just double click here or change the name input connector. Okay, so yeah, this is the Schottky diode, but exact value of the any Schottky diode. So I'm using SS34. So this SS34 have the 3 ampere capacity. Okay. So SS34. This is the C1. The value of this capacitor is 100 microfarad, 50 volt. Because our input is 40 volt. Okay, so capacitor should be more than 40 volt or 1.5 times more than your
How
input
you put
voltage.
value?
Okay,
How you
just
put
I'm
value?
just okay. This is the C polarized. Okay, just double click on that or change that C polarized in converted into your value, like 100 microfarad, 50 volt.
I
No,
got different thing. Let me check. Let's check it.
okay. Are you sharing the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just a second.
I got this window.
Okay, okay. You can change here also. C
No,
polarized.
when I double click, I got this
Okay.
window.
Yeah, means you click on the your entire symbol. Okay. You just double click on the C polarized. Just okay. C pol.
Okay, okay, got
Okay.
it, got it, got
Okay.
it, got it. Yeah.
Okay. You can just stop your sharing. So okay. Then D Schottky. So my this value also SS 34. Then my inductor value is 68 microhenry. Okay.
Ma'am,
Then my
it's
D. Okay. Yeah. Ask me.
slow, slow. You are
Oh.
very fast.
Okay.
Yeah. In C, where I put the values?
Which C?
Default
This
one. That C1. Yeah.
C1. Okay. There is a
Ah,
like this C2 is a C polarized. Okay. Just double click on that C polarized. This edit value field will be open. Uh, this one option is available. There is other two options are. I will show you. Okay. Just click on this C polarized. There is a
hmm,
C polarized. So you can just click
hmm,
on that. So my this C capacitor value is 220 microfarad. My output will be the 5 volts. So this voltage should be my greater than 5 volts. So my capacitor voltage is 16 volts. So you can just check. Okay. So this
where
is the
is this
second
window?
method. Third method is just double click on that entire symbol. So yeah, this window will be open. That is the symbol properties. Your reference name will be C2. Your value is a 220 microfarad and 16 volt. You can assign the footprint by here also. Okay, using this one. I will teach you after some time the when we assign the symbol footprints. Okay,
Oh, in the
got it?
early method, you are putting that value in the C polarized section, the value.
Okay, yeah. Click that C polarize, then double click on the C polarize, single click on the
Hmm,
symbol. I will tell you one after how we can do. Okay, this capacitor is done now,
yeah,
guys.
I got it,
It's
got it.
completed.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I will tell you how it's done. Okay, so now my this is my register. Okay, so I will tell you the three different methods for assigning the value of that particular symbol. Okay, one method, just double click on the particular value. So this is the R. Just double click on that R. So my value is what 3K. Okay, so I'm just putting here 3K. Okay, just enter. So 3K is here. There is a different method. There is one another different method. Just click on the symbol. Your this symbol properties if enabled, then if you can check there is a reference R1 It's a value 3K. You can change
Is
from
that
here also.
is that K small or capital?
It's a kilo ohm, so it's a capital one.
No.
This
This
method
value is
where it will come, ma'am?
what?
Second method, how come, ma'am?
Okay, I will show you. Okay. First, are you understand what is the first method?
Yeah,
Just double
first
click on
method
the
understand.
particular field value name. Second one is just click on that any symbol or any reference value. There is a in the left side there is a symbol properties. Okay. So just drop down. There is a reference R1 value 3K. So you can click here. Just write down and enter. So your value will be changed like 3K. Okay. There is another method. Double click on the entire symbol. Okay. Or just if click then just press the E. Okay. On the keyboard. So yeah, its reference is R1. Value is 3K. So you can change the value from here also. Okay. So yeah. So now are you aware about how we can change the or assign the value, reference value?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a three different ways. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the 3K. Next value is 1K. Okay. So I'm just changing the value. Okay. There is a 1K. Enter. Okay. So it's a 1K. Okay. Yeah. Then next one is a this CFF. So CFF value is probably 100 nanofarad. So I'm taking it's a 100 nanofarad. Okay. 100 nanofarad. Yeah. So my reference assign the reference value also completed. So this is my schematic. So yeah, this is the output connector. So sorry. So this is only the this schematic is only completed. But when I see this schematic, can I means what we say? Can I say that this IC will convert the 40 volt to 5 volt? No, right? There is no any comment over there. There is no any specific lines are there. There is no any net labels are there. So visually, if you understand the circuit properly, then you understand what exact is done after doing the calculation and all those things. Oh, right. So I'm just doing some cosmetic functions. So what I'm taking, going to the going to this place, add draw the some text, adding 40 volt input. Okay. So yeah, this is my 40 volt input. Then
How to get a 44 input? I am doing the
this is
understand.
only I am taking the text, okay, for the reference only for commenting section, okay. So
Okay,
just going to
input
the
connector.
place.
You are
Yeah, this is my input section. So my input is a 40 volt. So I'm just taking the comment section, okay, 40 volt input. So how I can take that text? Just display, draw text, okay. So and I'm just writing the 40 volt input. Now my output
okay.
is 5 volt. So 5 volt output. So This is my output section, right? So this is 5 volt, and I'm
How
giving the
get that? That
okay.
where is the display from? Uh,
What? Where is the?
you- that label you are doing, where you are, how to get that window?
Go to the place.
Okay,
There is a draw text.
okay,
Click on that draw text. These text properties are
okay.
pop up, and just write down
Uh,
your
yeah,
comment.
got it. Yeah,
Okay.
got it.
Okay. So this is my LM 2596 40 volt to 40 volt to 5 volt converter. Okay. I'm changing its size to 5 volt. Sorry, text size is 5, not volt. So yeah. So this I'm just taking as a bold. So okay. Then I'm doing one another thing.
How to do bold, ma'am?
Bold, just click on that. There is a text size 5, so I'm just clicking this bold.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then okay.
Ma'am, you are too
So
fast, slow.
okay, sorry. Okay, once you're done, just tell me. Okay.
You are done. But
Okay.
mine is not big like you. I also do the bold, but the size is small, I think.
I think just check twice its bold is enable or disable.
Yeah, yeah, I click the bold.
You click, but
For that,
sometimes it's disable getting the bolt or enable getting the normal things. Just check those things.
okay, got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. So this is now cosmetic mm, things. So now I'm just uh, draw the rectangle for my just yeah for better looking also. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm to
How you do the rectangle?
uh, place, draw the rectangle
Okay,
and just draw. Okay. So yeah. So my schematic is now looking better, right? Now net labeling is also important. So whenever we convert this into the PCB, so they just showing net like a J1 pin number 2, which is connected to the diode pin number 1. So I want not like that. So I'm just taking this one. Place net label. Okay. So this is my 40 volt, suppose 40 volt. So I'm just taking the 40 volt. This is my 40 volt line, right? So yeah, so I'm just doing this. This is my 40 volt. Okay. Then this is my output. So my output will be 5 volt. So this is my 5 volt output, but my 5 volt output net will be this one, right? Output of this like wire. Okay, so I'm just putting the 5 volt here. 5 volt. Okay. So just put that rectangle on particular wire. Okay. After putting the placing the label, it's look like this, not this rectangle. Means if rectangle is visible, means your wire connection is not proper. If after placing that net label or any wire, or your rectangle will disappear, means your connection is proper. Okay. Then this is my feedback section. Okay. So yeah, feedback. Okay. This is my mandatory labeling.
Ma'am, slow.
Okay. Yeah, it's done now. So I'm taking the three labels. One is input side 40 volt, output side 5 volt, and my another one is a feedback section. Have you doubt how to take that label name or place that label name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now
I
our
am
schematic. Yeah.
sharing my screen. Please check is anything
Okay. Okay.
not finding anything wrong. So
Okay. Okay. Just full screen. Okay. Disconnected. Mhm. There is one big mistake is there. Okay, I will
what?
tell you. In pin number 3 and 5, on off is connected. Okay, but where is the ground? That ground is not connected on the pin number 3 and 5.
Okay, the
3
one
and
ground
5 pin.
also needed.
It's needed the
Okay,
ground. Okay. Otherwise, it's only a floating with the 3 to 5. Okay.
Ma'am, in
Control
this
C, control.
schematic,
Okay. Yeah.
uh, after connector, there is a for 90-degree vertical line between diode and connector. How to correct that wire, ma'am, in label horizontal?
Just give me a second. I will complete this one and then I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Ma'am, you share your screen.
Okay.
Oh,
There is one mistake also, so there is a connection missing between two resistors. There is needed the junction. Okay,
okay. Wait.
I will show you. Okay, this junction. Okay,
Okay.
in your schematic, this is, I think, junction is not there, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Understood. I am correcting it.
Okay. Yeah, Vivek, just tell me your query.
One question I have. You are
Okay.
shorting 3 and 5 pin individually, and
Yes.
if I short 3 and 5 and then connected it to ground, any problem?
It's no. These
Okay.
all wires are connected with the ground. So you can just give the
Yeah.
separate ground also, or you can take all wires with
No,
togetherness.
no.
There is not an
In
issue.
my schematics, yeah, in my schematics, I am first short 3 and 5, and
Hmm.
then that short I connected it to ground. So there may
Yeah, it's
be
fine. It's
problem or
fine.
not
It's
as well.
fine. No. There is not an issue with. these types of also. Yeah, Vivek, you have a query, right?
मैम अभी जो सीमेटिक हम लोग देखे ना,
हाँ,
इनका जो अभी दिखा है सौमिक,
ओके,
नितेश है ना, नितेश नितेश जी हैं,
हाँ,
तो वो बताए, वो उनके सीमेटिक में
हाँ,
कनेक्टर और डायोड के बीच में जो वायर है वो प्रॉपर्ली कनेक्टेड नहीं था हॉरिजॉन्टली, वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर वर्टिकल गया, उसके बाद डायोड से कनेक्टेड था, तो उसको कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं मैम?
ओके, उसको कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं? अभी मैं मेरे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग करके दिखाती हूँ। ओके, तो ये शायद कुछ ऐसा,
हाँ हाँ
ये ऐसा हुआ, राइट?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वही
ओके,
वही वही।
अभी मुझे क्या करना है, इसको सीधा सीधा करना है, राइट? तो
जी।
क्लिक करना, जिसको सीधा करना है वहां पे माउस को लेके जाना, माउस को लेफ्ट साइड वाला माउस का बटन प्रेस करके माउस को खींचना, मतलब ड्रैग करना, जहां पे आपको वायर चाहिए नीचे लाना है, नीचे कर दो, तो
ओके
वो हो
मैम।
गया। ओके, इसको बोलते हैं ड्रैग। तो कंपोनेंट भी हम लोग ड्रैग कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि अभी मुझे ये कंपोनेंट इधर खींचना है, तो उसको ड्रैग करना है, आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं। ओके,
ओके मैम। ओके मैम।
ओके, इसको मुझे अभी इसके साथ अलाइन करना है, तो मैं इसको ऐसे कर सकती हूँ। ओके, अभी कोई डाउट है किसी को? इज
नहीं
देयर एनी
नहीं मैम।
डाउट? नहीं। ओके, सो आज हमारा ये स्कीमेटिक कंप्लीट हुआ है यहाँ पे। ओके, किसी को डाउट होगा तो पूछ लेना।
नो मैम, ठीक है।
ओके,
ओके
अभी
मैम।
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट इसमें हम लोग देखेंगे, oh sorry, in the next class we can take the footprint assignment, ERC rule check. Okay,
ओके मैम।
So we
okay,
directly save it, or it
हाँ,
is
you
already
can
saved.
directly save it. Yeah, it's you can directly save.
मैम जूम इट मैम, आई वांट टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट मैम।
Okay, if you want I can just zoom in. Okay, it's fine.
लिटिल, यस यस इट्स फाइन। नो लिटिल बिट मोर जूम मैम।
Okay, just अरे just a
Ma'am,
second.
uh,
यस यस नाउ इट्स ओके। ओके मैम, डन।
Okay, okay,
मैम 1 मिनट में अपना स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ।
okay.
अब ठीक है ना?
Just a second, मुझे स्क्रीन देखने दो। ये ये यहाँ से यहाँ कनेक्ट है, ये यहाँ से यहाँ कनेक्ट है, ये ओके, ये बीच में ओके, हाँ L1 आ गया उसके ऊपर। लेकिन आपने जो फीडबैक के लिए ये दिया है ना, फीडबैक का जो नेट लेवल दिया है ना, उसका
हम्म।
नेट लेवल का FB का स्क्वायर आया है देखो, तो उसको वो लाइन पे ले लेना, नीचे वाली। हाँ, उसको लाइन पे ले लेना। हाँ, ओके,
अच्छा।
नाउ इट्स कनेक्टेड। ओके, यहाँ पे जंक्शन, अभी ये जंक्शन
मैम
ओके, या
मैम मैम इसको ठीक करने बताइए ना इनको, व्हाट कनेक्टर और इसको डायोड के बीच में ये जो ऐसे और कंपोनेंट प्लेस हुआ है,
कौन सा वाला कंपोनेंट बोल रहे
यहाँ
हैं?
40 वोल्ट जहाँ लिखा हुआ है 40 वोल्ट,
ओके, उसको ऊपर करना है।
कनेक्टर को ऊपर करना है, कैसे?
हाँ,
कनेक्टर को सिलेक्ट करके ड्रैग करेंगे या
हाँ,
नीचे को?
कनेक्टर को सिलेक्ट करो और उसको ऊपर ले लो।
ओके मैम।
अगर वायर को अपने और नीचे लाया तो फिर वो और गंदा दिख जाएगा। ओके,
ओके मैम।
हाँ, सिर्फ वो कनेक्टर के ऊपर प्लेस करना, उसको ड्रैग करना ऊपर नीचे जिधर चाहिए आपको उधर। ओके।
मैम सिंपल एलईडी सर्किट में बनाया था, तो उसमें वही हम कर नहीं पा रहे थे, वही हमसे हो जा रहा था।
वो थोड़ा क्या
वर्टिकल
होता है, नया नया जब होता है ना, तो वो माउस को हैंडलिंग करने का तरीका थोड़ा समझ में आना चाहिए। वो माउस को हैंडलिंग करने का तरीका समझ में आया ना, तो फिर बाद में सब इजी जाते हैं। पहले
और मैम
माउस।
आप राइट हैंड साइड में जो टॉप एरो है, बार बार उस पर क्लिक कर रहे हैं, वो क्या फंक्शन है मैम उसका, वो एरो का?
एक्चुअली
यही
कभी
कंपोनेंट है,
मत
यही
वो जो
कंपोनेंट है। यहाँ से ही तो कंपोनेंट ड्रैग करते हैं।
हाँ, वो मतलब कुछ भी कंपोनेंट या कुछ सिलेक्ट करना हो ना हमें, तो फिर हमें वो राइट साइड वाला, ऊपर वाला, लेफ्ट साइड वाला, कौन सा भी आइकॉन, हमें आइकॉन सिलेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए वहां पे। ओके। तो किसी कंपोनेंट के लिए फिर हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, उसको वो ऊपर जाके वो लेना पड़ता है, और फिर किसी कंपोनेंट को ड्रैग, एडिट, जो भी है करना है, किसी कंपोनेंट पे क्लिक करना है, तो फिर वहां से करेंगे। अगर आप क्या करेंगे, नीचे वाला सपोज प्लेस सिंबल है, उसको आपने क्लिक किया हुआ है, और फिर आप बीच बीच में क्लिक कर रहे हो, किसी कंपोनेंट के ऊपर भी क्लिक कर रहे हो, तो वो क्या करेगा, आपको सिंबल का स्क्रीन ही दिखाएगा वहां पे बार बार। ओके। आपको आपको क्या करना है, आपको किसी सिंबल को एडिट करना है, लाइक उसका वैल्यू चेंज करना है, R1 का वैल्यू 3K करना है, लेकिन आपका सिलेक्शन क्या है, वो जो 3 नंबर वाला प्लेस सिंबल का कनेक्शन है वो एनेबल है। ओके। और आप बीच में जाके वहां पे क्लिक कर रहे हो, तो वो प्लेस सिंबल वाला एडिटर ही ओपन हो जाएगा, वो आपका जो कंपोनेंट है वो कभी सिलेक्ट नहीं होगा।
मैम नहीं समझ में आया, सिम सिम करके
मैं
बताइए ना
मैं
मैम।
समझाती मैं समझाती हूँ, रुको।
मैम
ओके।
मेरा ये ठीक है ना अभी?
हाँ, अभी ये ठीक है। थोड़ा सा सिर्फ कॉस्मेटिकली उसको ठीक कर लेना। हाँ।
ठीक है।
ओके। मतलब अभी तो आपने लाइन सीधा विदा कर दिया। ओके, अभी ये थोड़ा मतलब अच्छा हुआ है।
समझ चुका
ओके।
हूँ।
आपका स्क्रीन थोड़ा स्टॉप कर देना, मैं मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर
हाँ हाँ
कर। ओके।
हाँ।
हाँ। तो विवेक थे शायद, है ना?
हाँ मैम।
ओके। अभी सपोज मैंने क्या किया, मुझे इस पे क्लिक करना है। ओके।
हाँ,
तो अभी मेरा यहाँ पे क्लिक है, और मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मुझे कंपोनेंट पे क्लिक
कंपोनेंट प्लेस
करना
कर
है,
रही हैं।
लेकिन कंपोनेंट पे मैं क्लिक कर रही हूँ, तो मेरा क्या हो रहा है, ये सिंबल आ रहा है। ओके। मैं किसी भी कंपोनेंट पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ, मुझे कंपोनेंट सिलेक्ट करना है, लेकिन यहाँ पे मेरा सिलेक्शन क्या है, ये वाला। ओके। तो
हाँ,
वो स्क्रीन पॉपअप हो रहा है,
ओके।
वो स्क्रीन पॉपअप नहीं होना चाहिए। मुझे ये
अच्छा,
कंपोनेंट को सिलेक्ट करना है, ये आइटम को सिलेक्ट करना
ओके
है, तो
ओके ओके,
इसके लिए
गॉट
मुझे
इट मैम।
वो करना पड़ रहा है।
समझ गया मैम।
ओके।
थैंक यू मैम।
ओके। तो अभी तक कुछ डाउट है अभी तक के सेशन में?
नहीं मैम।
ओके। क्लियर है? कुछ भी छोटा मोटा डाउट होगा तो बताना, क्योंकि क्या होता है, ये माउस हैंडलिंग के लिए भी थोड़ा गलती होता है। अभी क्या मैं बताती हूँ, और एक गलती हम क्या करते हैं, वायर को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, फिर अभी सपोज मुझे वायर इधर से इधर लेके जाना है, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करती हूँ, वायर वायर तो यहाँ से आ जाता है, लेकिन ये वायर ड्रॉ करने के टाइम पे मैं क्या करती हूँ, माउस का बटन भी क्लिक करके लेके जाती हूँ, लेकिन क्या होता है, मेरा वायर ड्रॉ नहीं होता है उस टाइम पे। ओके। एक बार क्लिक करो वायर को, और मतलब जहाँ पे कनेक्ट करना है अपना, लेफ्ट वाला जो भी अपना माउस का बटन है उसको रिलीज करना, फिर आपको जहाँ पे जाके लेके जाना है वहां पे लेके जाओ, और जहाँ पे जोड़ना है वहां पे फिर से क्लिक करो, तो वो कनेक्ट हो जाएगा। उसको माउस को भी मतलब वो वायर को वैसे ड्रैग जैसे करते वैसे ड्रैग करने की जरूरत नहीं, वहां पे सिंपली रिलीज करना है हमें। ओके।
ओके मैम।
ओके, चलो आज के लिए इतना ही।
या मैम
थैंक यू मैम
इंडस्ट्री
है।
में कीकैड भी यूज होता है?
मतलब अभी क्या है ना, काइकैड है वो ओपन सोर्स है, और जो छोटी मोटी
ओपन सोर्स
कंपनियां
है।
रहती हैं, हाँ,
हम्म हाँ, ओपन
ओपन
सोर्स है। मैंने
सोर्स,
बहुत जगह देखा है कि वो
हाँ,
लोग एलटीएम
हाँ,
और
अल्टीएम
भी
यूज
जो भी
करते हैं,
लाइसेंस
क्योंकि
उसमें।
अल्टीएम
हाँ।
में बहुत सारे फीचर्स ऐसे रहते हैं कि वो वहां पे अच्छे से सिमुलेशन ये वो सब हो जाता है। ओके। तो लेकिन वो आईटीएम का प्राइस भी उतना ज्यादा है, अगर 1-2 लाख रुपए
Yeah.
एक इंसान को साल का सिर्फ अल्टीएम यूज करने का जाए, तो वो छोटी मोटी कंपनियों को नहीं ये होता है ना। तो इसीलिए वो लोग, मतलब जो छोटी मोटी कंपनियां रहती है वो ओपन सोर्स लेके चलती।
मतलब अभी भी बड़ा चंक ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज KiCad पे चलती है।
हाँ, ब्रंट और दोनों में ज्यादा ज्यादा डिफरेंस, मतलब एक बार आप KiCad सीखो या कौन सा भी इजी ईडीए सीखो, सर्किट मेकर सीखो,
हम्म
तो क्या रहता है, सिर्फ ये अपना जीयूआई डिफरेंट रहता है। ओके, आपको
हम्म
आपका कंपोनेंट
हम्म
वही रहने वाला है, आपका सर्किट वही रहने वाला है, आपका पीसीबी ट्रैक वही रहने वाला है। सिर्फ आपको वहां पे जाके नया
वो
क्या
तो है।
सीखना पड़ेगा कि कंपोनेंट, ये वाला मेरा कंपोनेंट प्लेसमेंट है, तो यहाँ से मुझे कंपोनेंट उठाना है। ये सिर्फ वहां पे अलग अलग इसमें दिखाएगा आपको, बाकी कुछ चेंजेस नहीं
ओके ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
है।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम, गुड नाइट मैम,
या गुड
हैप्पी
नाइट,
महाशिवरात्रि मैम।
यूट्यूब सबको।
आपको भी भाई, हैप्पी महाशिवरात्रि।
चलो, गुड नाइट।
थैंक यू, सेम टू यू।